Hello, this is just a short little tutorial how to install the Arduino IDE and set it up for the ESP8266. So let's begin. All the links I'll use are down in the description. First, let's download the Arduino IDE. Go to the Arduino site. I'll download the Windows installer. You can contribute if you want, or click just download. I'll just download it. After the download is ready, go to your download folder and install the IDE. This may take a while. While we install the Arduino IDE, we can download the drivers for the ESP8266. Search for your device manager, open it. You'll see other devices here. Make a right click, update driver, search automatically. If this doesn't work, I've linked down the two most common drivers for the ESP8266 development boards, so you can install them manually. After the install, look for the COM port of the ESP. You will need it in the Arduino IDE. When the installation is finished, click close and start the Arduino IDE for setting up for ESP8266. First go to File, Preferences, and to Additional Boards Manager URLs. You have to paste this link, it's down in the description, then click OK. Go to Tools, click on Boards Manager, then type ESP8266. Here you will see ESP8266 by ESP8266 community, and down here, in your case, you can click install. After everything is downloaded, it should show up installed. Now go again to Tools, Boards, and here you should see the new ESP8266 modules. For the most development boards, the Node MCU one board should be right. Now go to Port, click on your COM port you have seen in the device manager. I'll open a new sketch and let's make a short test if we have done everything right. In the setup, I write serial begin 9600. In the loop, I write serial print line hello world. And let's give it a short delay, about half a second should be fine. Now save the file. I will call it hello test. Now upload the file. You can see it's compiling the sketch. Now it starts uploading. After uploading, click Serial Monitor in the top right corner. And you can see it prints every half a second hello world, so everything is fine. So now you are ready to write your own code. Have a nice day. Bye.